Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiya, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3. Look dear students, our topic is lesson 25, exercise 1, 2 and 3. Today we are going to do, and this is our lecture number 12 and SW number 12 too. Okay, and here is your SW. Okay, now I am going to start my today's class. Okay, look dear students, here our lesson number is 25 and the topic is prepositions of time. Dear students, at first I am going to read some sentences. Okay, you have to hear this properly. Look, we will go out to play at 5 o'clock. We will go to swim at 6 o'clock on Sunday evening. We went to church on Christmas Day. They are going to Kashmir in the first week of May. We may go up to the mountains in the summer. I was born in 2001. We played cricket for an hour yesterday. Rita has been teaching in this school since 2005. Lila waited for her friend till 6 o'clock, but she did not come. I do my homework from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock every day. Now, dear students, look, in these sentences we have found some colored words like at. Here in the second sentence you will get at, on. Look here, in this third sentence you will get the word on. Then look here, in this sentence in. Here in this sentence in. Again for, since, till, form. Look dear students, what are they? Dear students, look here, at, on, in, for, since, till, from and to. All of these words are the example of prepositions of time. Okay, so what are they? They are the example of prepositions of time. Now look dear students, here keep in your mind that, dear students, we use at when we talk about time. So dear students, look here, we use at when we talk about time. So when we have to use at when we are talking about time, at that time we have to use at. Then look dear students, in this second sentence we use on with dates and days. So when we have to use on, we use on with dates and days. Okay, so before date and days we have to use here on, and on is an example of preposition. Okay, look, we use in with weeks, months and years. I am repeating, with weeks, months and years we have to use in. Then look, last sentence, we can use from to show the beginning and the end of an action. Okay, so dear students, when we will use from to show the beginning and the end of an action. Okay, at that time we have to use from to. Okay, so you have to learn these rules properly, then you can do this exercise easily. Okay, so dear students, now I am going to start our today's exercise, and of course we have to take help from these rules. If you learn this properly, then you can do this exercise easily. Okay, look, complete these sentences with in, on or at. Look dear students, here number 1, it gets very hot in Hyderabad. There's summer. I am repeating, it gets very hot in Hyderabad. There's summer. Look dear students, what we have learned from this rule or from our discussion, we have learned that we have to use in. We have to use in before month. Okay, so here summer is the name of a month. For this reason we have to use here in. We have to use here before the month, we have to use here the preposition of in. Okay, it gets very hot in Hyderabad in summer. Then look number 2, my brother Adit was born dash 7:45 am dash 2nd October 1999. So dear students, what we have learned from this discussion? We have learned that before time, when we are talking about time, at that time we have to use at. Okay. So here look, the time is what? 7:45 a.m. So before this time we have to write at. Okay. My brother Adit was born at 7:45, that's 2nd October 1999. Dear students, we have learned that we have to use on before date. Look here, October, 2nd October. Okay, 2nd October. For this reason we have to use here on. And of course at, on, in, all of these are the example of preposition. Then look number 3. My father does not like driving dash the night. So here you have to write at. Number 4. My birthday is dash April. Dear students, we have learned from our discussion that we have to use in, or we have to write in before what? Before month. So April is a month's name. For this reason here we have to write in before this month. Okay. So my birthday is in April. Then look dear students, like this way we will do all of this exercise. Number 5. What are you doing that Saturday? Here before look here, this is a day's name. Okay, Saturday. So for this reason here we have to use on, because from our previous discussion we have learned that we use on with dates and days. So here we have to write on. What are you doing on Saturday? Then look number 6. I wake up every day at 6:30 a.m. Here you have to write at, because this is a time. Okay, and of course we have to use at before the time. Okay. Then look number 7. School begins dash 1st July. Here you have to write on 1st July. Okay. Then look number 8. I have my dance class dash 6 p.m. dash Saturday. Okay, dear students, here we have to write I have my dance class at 6 p.m. on Saturday. So like this way you have to write this again. Okay. Then look here, exercise number 2. Write 6 sentences about how Gargi spends her Sundays using from ... to use the clues given. Dear students, we have learned from our previous discussion that we can use from to show the beginning and the end of an action. Okay. Look dear students, here you have found a chart. There you can find some schedule. Okay. Look here, Gargi spends her Sundays using from to use the clues given. I am repeating this question once again. Write 6 sentences about how Gargi spends her Sundays using from ... to use the clues given. Okay. So here in this box, first sentence is what? Stays in bed 8 to 8:30 a.m. So now we have to make a sentence by using these clues. Okay, look here. So first one, look here. She usually stays in bed from 8 to 8:30 a.m. Look dear students, so we have to use from to when we are going to say, or when we are going to show the beginning and the end of an action. So here you have to write this sentence like this. She usually stays in bed from 8 to 8:30 a.m. Then look, next sentence. Has a special breakfast 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. Now you will make a sentence by using these clues. Okay, look here, you can write it like this way. She usually has a special breakfast from 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. Then look number 3. Look here, the clue is what? Watches TV 9:30 to 10 a.m. Here you have to write it like this way. She watches TV from 9:30 to 10 a.m. Then look number 4. Plays with her friends 10 to 11 a.m. Here you can write it like this way. She plays with her friends from 10 to 11 a.m. Okay. Then look, our another clue is what? Does her homework 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. So here you can write it like this way. She does her homework from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Then look, our last clue is what? Reads a storybook 12:30 to 1 p.m. Here you can write it like this way. She reads a storybook from 12:30 to 1 p.m. Okay. So we can use from ... to show the beginning and the end of an action. So like this way you can make these sentences. Now I am going to discuss about exercise number 3. At first read the question. Complete these sentences with prepositions from the box. Here you will get some clues in this box, and all of these clues of course are the example of preposition. Okay, now look number 1. That Saturday evening we listen to music. So as per our rule, we have learned that before the gaze we have to use the preposition of on. Okay, we have to use here, or we have to write here on. Okay, so here we can write on Saturday evening we listen to music. So dear students, we use on with dates and days. Okay, now look number 2. They have been walking dash 2 hours. Here you can write for. Okay, you have to write here for. By taking help from this box, you have to use here for. Okay, this clue you have to use in this second sentence. Okay, they have been walking for 2 hours. Then look number 3. It has been raining since 1 o'clock. Here you have to write since. Number 4. They have known each other dash they are in class 1. Here you have to write since. They have known each other since they are in class 1. Okay, then look number 5. Dear students, look, when we have to use since, we have to use since. Look dear students, when we are going to say about something like I am going to say an example, Rita has been teaching in this school since 2005. Okay, at this time, that means at, on, in, for, since, till, or from, and to, all of these are the examples of prepositions of time. Okay, so here we have to write it like this way. They have known each other since they are in class 1. Then look number 5. We watched the match dash 5 p.m. dash 8 p.m. Look dear students, so here we have to write from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. because we know that we can use from ... to show the beginning and the end of an action. Then look number 6. Dash Christmas Day we are planning a big party. Here you have to write on. On Christmas Day we are planning a big party. Okay, then look 7. Let's go out dash the afternoon. Here you have to write in. Let's go out in the afternoon. Then look number 8. My school starts dash 8 o'clock. Here you have to write at. My school starts at 8 o'clock. Then look number 9. Nargis will go to Pune dash September. Here you have to write in. Okay, Nargis will go to Pune in September. Then number 10. The museum is open dash Tuesday dash Sunday. Here you have to write from Tuesday to Sunday. Okay, so the sentence will be what? The museum is open from Tuesday to Sunday. Then look number 11. Zainab is unwell. She has been absent dash 3 days. Here you have to write for. She has been absent for 3 days. Then look number 12. A new day begins dash midnight. Here you have to write at. A new day begins at midnight. So dear students, I hope you can do this exercise easily if you learn this rule properly. Okay, so you have to, at first you have to read this chapter properly, then you can do this exercise easily. Dear students, so you have to submit this exercise number 3 as your SW. See you again in our next class, dear students. Allah Hafiz.